In this video, I will show you how to collaborate with a team in Napkin AI. Let's get started. First, I'll navigate to my library and select the document I want to share with my team. I'm choosing the Content Authority Flywheel project. Once the document is open, I'll head to the top right corner and click the Share button to open the collaboration settings. Now, I'll type in the email address of the person I want to invite. I want this team member to have full access, so I'm changing the permissions from Can View to Can Edit and Share before clicking the Add button. You'll see a green confirmation message at the top showing that access has been granted. I can also invite additional people and set their permissions to Can View if they only need to review the work without making changes. If I need to share this document in a team chat or an email, I can simply click the copy link button to grab the direct URL. To test it out, I'll open a new tab and paste that link. As you can see, the document loads up instantly for the collaborator. We can now both work on the project together, clicking through the different parts of the infographic to make updates in real time. If I ever need to manage my team or check who has access, I can just click the Share button again to see the list of invited users and their current roles. This makes it easy to keep everyone on the same page as we build our content. And there you have it. That's the complete process of collaborating with a team in Napkin AI.